Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have for you guys my updated everyday makeup look. So I started off with makeup primer. I'm using the Ellana Blur Plus Oil Control Makeup Primer. And as you can see, it instantly mattifies my entire face. Next, I move on to my favorite everyday foundation, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, and I used my beauty blender to apply it on my skin. I really love using this foundation for everyday kasi ang ganda ng coverage niya pero parang wala kang suot na foundation at all. So while waiting for my foundation to dry, I am moving on to the brows. I'm using something from Benefit. It's called the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So as you can see, I am just filling in the sparse areas of my brows and using the other end, which is the spoolie, to comb out my brow hairs. Now it is time to set the foundation. I'm using my favorite everyday powder, which is Huda Beauty in the shade of Kunafa. And using a flat top brush, I'm just gonna set the powder all over my face. Now let's move on to contour. I'm using the Benefit Get the Pretty Started palette. And as you can see, I have my contour shade up here. I hit pan already. Sobrang malapit na siyang maubos. But I love using this one. It's the Hoola Bronzer. And I just like to contour my entire face. Next, I take a fluffy brush and I use Galifornia, which is a blush shade. And I apply that as eyeshadow all over my lids. So lately, I've been super loving using coral tones on my eyes kasi sobrang nakaka-fresh siya ng bonggang-bongga. After that, go ahead and curl your lashes and we're gonna put on some mascara. So my everyday mascara is from Maybelline. It's called the Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. This is the bomb, you guys, as in sobrang bongga niya for everyday. As you can see, it really opens up my eyes as in. And I love that it really lasts the entire day. As in from umaga hanggang sobrang late sa gabi, open pa rin yung mata ko. It really holds the curls. And overall, it's just like the perfect everyday mascara. And it's waterproof. Next comes the fun part. Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong ina-add for my everyday makeup look kasi sobrang nakaka-bright talaga siya. So a lot of people have been asking me what I put sa inner corners ng lower lids ko or lower lash line. It is from Superface. It's called the Superface Liquid Glitter in the shade of Peach Crystal. I super love using this even sa eyelids ko. Pero for everyday, I really love brightening up my inner corners using this one. As you can see, sobrang konting swipe lang. It instantly gives you that beautiful brightening effect. Up next, we're gonna work on our cheeks. And I have here the Sunny's Airblush in the shade of Peach. And one of the reasons why I super love this cheek tint is because kahit nag-powder tayo kanina, you can still blend the color easily over the powder. Kaya sobrang ganda niya. And I also love using this because after a few hours, meron siyang dewy effect na pang-pag-glow talaga ng bongga. Kaya I love this tint. And lastly, we're gonna finish off this look with the latest product from MAC. It is called the Shot of Color Lip Oil in the shade of K-Pop Boyfriend. Sobrang pigmented and sobrang ganda nito. If you have been watching my videos, you would know na sobrang fan ako ng mga lip tint na oil-based. So this is that exactly. And all I need to do is just smudge it together with my fingers. You don't really need a lot kasi sobrang pigmented nito and ang ganda-ganda niya. So that's it for my updated everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll be listing down all the products down in the information box. Thank you for watching. Bye!